Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Khad at home, only way. Mix 2 kg cow dung with 1 liter cow urine and 500 g jaggery, then add 200 g gram flour. Stir until uniform and slightly runny, cover the mixture with breathable cloth, label with date, and place in a warm shaded spot. Check daily and stir gently to aerate for optimal microbial growth and odor control. Allow the mix to ferment for 14 to 21 days, monitoring temperature and smell daily. Stir gently each morning and evening to aerate and distribute microbes evenly. If the mixture becomes too dry, add small amounts of water, and if too wet, sprinkle dry cow dung. When the smell turns earthy and there is uniform texture, your Desi Khad is ready to strain, dilute, and apply to plants as a live biofertilizer. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical DIY farming content. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a fun comfort pick after muddy farm work. I put the product link and extra deals in the description so you can find them easily. Now let's get back to the video. Dilute the finished Desi Khad at a 1:10 ratio for soil drench and 1:20 for foliar spray, applying during cool hours to protect beneficial microbes. Test on one plant before wide use and observe for 3 to 7 days. Store remaining cod in shaded containers for up to 30 days, stirring before use to redistribute settled material, and always label containers with preparation date for safety and tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.